Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend, whatever you have been doing. And today's Sunday, so happy Sunday. And in today's video, guys, I am going to be collaborating with a brand called Vivien Beauty. They do hair extensions on their website. They go from clip-ins, tapes, I think they do nanos, you know, those little beads. They do those. And yeah, I'll link all their information down below, but they reached out to me over the Christmas New Year period and asked if I'd like to collaborate with them on some hair extensions. Obviously I said yes, because I love playing around with my hair, as you guys know. And yeah, so they sent me out some hair extensions to share with you guys, do a little review. And basically, to be honest, they shipped out pretty fast. Within a week, I had the FedEx guy. I've never had a FedEx package before. Basically deliver the hair. So it basically comes in the FedEx bag, and then it comes just like this. So this is what it is. It's a hair extensions. I got the clip-ins because I'm too scared to have like tapes or buns or anything like that in my hair, because obviously I've got long hair as it is, but I am getting my hair cut. I'm having quite, not that much, but quite a bit of the dead ends and everything cut off my hair. So I asked them to send me 24-inch jet black clip-in hair extensions, and here they are. So on the box, it's just got Vivien Beauty clip-in hair extensions. Like I've said, not all of their hair extensions are clip-ins. So on the back, it's also got like the do's and don'ts of what to do with your hair extensions. I can't get my words out today. My fibro is really playing up. So the do's are: wash your hair with neutral shampoo and oily conditioner. Brush the hair 3 to 4 times a day to prevent tangling. Apply conditioner and styling products from the mids to the shafts, basically mid shafts down. I always do that with all my like heat protectant sprays and stuff like that. You can apply heat protectant to hair before flat ironing or styling. And then the don'ts are: don't colour these hair extensions. Leave this process to a licensed professional. Don't wear it to bed. Always take them out first. Use any hydrating shampoos. Don't use any hydrating shampoos. Keywords to look for are moisturising, intensive therapy, sleek, and etc. And obviously, if you frequently swim in chlorined water, it will make the hair fade, so probably not good to do that. It's also got the contact details if you've got any concerns about the hair extensions that you buy or purchase. And then also it's got their Instagram handle there at the bottom, which I will link all the information down below for you guys. So a little bit about Vivien Hair Beauty. They don't put a lot of product into the hair or treat it, as you would say. They don't do a lot of treating with the hair. It's natural human hair. It's Remy hair, which is the top thing for hair extensions. Remy hair is really good, and it looks natural because it is human natural hair. So without further ado, also, if you are willing to purchase some hair extensions, if you want to, like I say with all my reviews, it's my personal opinion. It's definitely up to you. If you want to use the code that they've given me, which is Tara20, that will give you 20% off your purchase if you do decide that you want to purchase any of the hair extensions off this website of Vivien Beauty. And if you don't, then you don't. But if you do, it's a win-win. You get 20% off. I don't get any commission on that. There's no commission. They basically just sent me out a free pack of hair to review for you guys. And yeah, in the process, I get some hair extensions and you get a coupon code. So yeah, let's get straight into it and have a look what's inside the box. So yeah, I asked for the 24-inch hair extensions. Oh my gosh. So they come, wow. Ooh, oh wow. They've also gifted me some really fluffy lashes. They are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for that. That is really lovely of you. Thank you so much. And these are, oh my God, they are gonna fit so nice. So I got the clip-in hair extensions, the 7-piece, so there's 7 pieces of hair in this bag. I got the 20-inch, which is number 1, hashtag number 1. Oh my God, this is gonna be so much hair. So let's just take her out of the bag. Wow, this is a lot of hair. Oh, first impressions, this hair is super, super soft. It feels, obviously it's real hair, so it feels so real, but it's super glossy. It's got that really lovely glossy look to it. It feels so, so smooth and so nice. It's like putting my hand through my own hair. Wow. I used to wear the hair extensions basically to style my hair, because I feel like you can style it a lot better when you've got hair extensions in. So yeah, you get in here 7 pieces of hair. So you've got the clips at the back, which are the same colour as the hair, which is amazing, because sometimes on hair extensions you can get clips that are not the same colour and you can see them when it's in your hair. So this has got 4 clips in it, and that'll go at the back of the head. So you've got a 4 clip, you've got one with 3 clips in. I'm super excited, I can't wait to put this in my hair. You've got another 3 clips, sorry. So you get 2 3 clips, 1 4. You've got a 2 clip that'll go probably at the sides. And then you've got 2 more of the 2 clips. So they normally go at the sides of the hair. So I'm just gonna quickly demonstrate putting the hair extensions in. They're so easy to do. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I just basically put all my hair at the back, feel with my fingers and go from behind my ear. So from like the tops of my ears, I'll just take my 2 fingers round until they meet in the middle, and then I'll just take my clip and just clip the top part of my hair out of the way. Bring that hair round. So this is where my hair is, my natural hair. So it's literally just below my boobs, basically. So I'll get the 4-piece one first. So these are stainless steel clips as well, which are really, really good. They'll last loads longer. And then I'll just flip that to the back of my head and just feel really where the clips go and just clip them in place. Sometimes with hair extensions, you have to just play about a bit to see where you're more comfortable. These feel super, super comfortable to the head. They don't feel loose at all. They feel really secure. With the hair extensions in, so it goes a little bit longer, but I am thinking of having my hair cut anyway soon. So these will come in so handy, because I have my hair cut and then I regret having it cut, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna take my hair down. Again, just a little near my temples this time, taking my 2 fingers round to the back till they meet, clipping the top part out of the way. I'll bring that hair now round to the front, and then I'll take the clips with the 3 in and then pop that in the back. So I'm just gonna carry on putting the hair extensions in, and then I'll get back to you. So this is now with all the hair in. It looks so much fuller and so much thicker. I absolutely love it. And this is what it looks like from the back. It's virtually nearly touching my bum, which is absolutely amazing. So guys, these are the extensions in, and oh my god, they are absolutely gorgeous. So Vivien Beauty do all types of hair extensions. So they do the buns, they do clip-ins, they do tape-ins. I will link all their information down below, like I've already said in this video. But this is the hair all in, apart from 2 pieces. Like I say, I am going to get my hair cut in the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to have all my dead ends and everything cut off. So if I want to go back to having long hair again until it grows back out, then these hair extensions are gorgeous. They're 100% human hair, so they're Remy hair. They've got hardly any treatment on them at all. And yeah, so I'd like to say a massive, massive thank you to the team at Vivien Beauty for kindly sending me these hair extensions out. If you do want to try them out, like I say, my code is Tara20 to get yourself 20% off the hair extensions on their website. So if you did like this video, guys, and you like this review, then please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video, which is twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. So I can't wait to see you guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and I love you always. Stay safe out there, guys. Love you.